Hi, in this course, we are going to discuss about creating a video within 5 minutes. So, telling you frankly, if you really watch this course with sincere interest, then I tell you that you'll be able to create a video within a day. That too, really professional videos for YouTube, for your own interview, or kind of where you are speaking to the camera. So, first thing you need to do is you need to download Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you have downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro, and by the way, this is available both for Mac and Windows, and I'm using it for Mac. So once you have downloaded Premiere Pro, you need to open Premiere Pro. You need to open a new project and just give it a title. Let's say Marine Lines. We are gonna do a video on marine lines. So once it is done, click OK. So here is the control panel of Premiere Pro. This is the timeline. This is the main area that we are going to play with, and this is the video player. So I'm not going to discuss about what is there and what is not there. I'm directly going to show you how to play with the video here so that it can be more practical in approach. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to drag some videos here that we intend to actually play with. So let's say I have the video segregated here, and I'll just drag a random video. I'll drag this too. I'll drag this too, and let's say, I think so, yeah, this is also good, and say this. So basically what I have done is I have made a visual map of what I intend to play with, and I have just numbered them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a rough demo, and I'll just select this clip, say for instance, and I'll show you how to select a part of the clip. So let us play this clip. Okay. Now say that I want to select a part from, say, use the arrow keys to means go one frame ahead or one frame back. This is the point when the lady steps her feet. Okay, so we are gonna select this part. So you can zoom it. This is nice. And let's say that we want till here. So select this part. This is how you select a clip. Now let us move on to the next video. Okay. So let us first check it. What is it? Okay. Now let us suppose that here's the start. This is where her hand goes upwards. So let us say that we want to select it from here. Now let us say that we want to select it till here itself. So let us check the video once. I think it's good. So similarly we move on to the next video. Okay, this is the video of a girl walking. So let's say that arbitrarily we select from here. She's walking. Okay, she's walking in this video. Let us select from here to here. So similarly we move on to the next video. Next clip actually. So they have just started here. I think this can be a nice point. So similarly you have to experiment around. Once you do kind of a couple of videos, you will get the idea how to select a clip. It's pretty simple actually. You have to decide mind map for yourself. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna check this. This is nice, I think. So let us select from here to here arbitrarily, and let us go into the next video. Use the up arrow key to go backwards to the back clip point, down arrow key to go to the next point. You can zoom more if you want to check frame by frame. So we have got our 5 clips done. Let us bring them and stitch them together. So just break them at one place. We have stitched these 5 clips and we have made a video. But the thing is, we have to add a music effect to kind of beautify the drama in it. So we add a music, let's say I've already selected a music. And the next important thing that we have to do is like means there is the background noise of the camera. So we have to mute that. So okay, here is it. We bring it to the end point. So what you saw was the final output of the video, and we are gonna go to export it. So we're gonna go to file, we are gonna to export media. So here are the formats. So say you want to go for YouTube 1080p, and this is all it. So we're gonna discuss about more in the exporting the video chapter. Just click on export and you're gonna get the video after this is done. So I'm gonna cancel that for now. So the thing is, we are gonna discuss more about animations and text, adding textual animation, adding music effect, adding color correction, creating intro and exit titles in the further videos. So please keep on watching the course, and I'm sure that you'll have a lot to learn. And believe me, if you can really watch through the end of this course, you'll be able to create a beautiful video monologue videos in a day.